May I also announce the of distinguished Senator Ete.
I remember President Obama saying that you cannot know Washington until you get to Washington. So by the time we went in to look at the economic situation of the country, it was terrible. So you know that the former governor of Central Bank, we don't even know what to charge him with. Whether to charge him for putting foam on top of the bill, or to charge him for illegal possession of firearm, or to charge him for printing notes without income. I don't know what we are going to charge him with. But what we can know is that yes, there is hunger today because of the kind of policies and actions that they took. And we recognize that. And I think every political party should recognize that there is hunger and that we are battling to ensure that Nigerians can sleep with their eyes closed. Yes, there is insecurity. We are battling to ensure that Nigerians can eat 3 square meals a day. But be rest assured that we campaign for this job. We campaign and dance around the country. We will not let you down. We'll get to the bottom of it. All we need is patience. The rot that has happened in Nigeria for so many years, for almost 60 years, cannot be solved in 6 months. So that is what we need is patience. And I want to thank the Minister of FCT. Your Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State. After you, I don't know, you will probably take a son of Ogoni as governor to match your achievements in Rivers State. I thought somebody would clap. Or the people are not ready. After you, the governor that will probably match your achievements in Rivers State will probably be a son of Ogoni. I'm just, even the Speaker of the House started clapping. All the members who introduced to me are clapping, members of the House of Assembly. Which means that they are in agreement. Those who are in support of the motion that Ogoni should produce the governor one day for Rivers State, say aye. And those who are not in support of the governor from Ogoni land in Rivers State, say nay. The ayes have it. So let us think in that direction. So, Mpigi, we are thanking God for the elevation from chairmanship to Senate, 10 Senate, and you are also thanking God for the future of Ogoni land and Rivers State, for what God will do for Rivers State. I need to let you know that you are here because you are a worthy son of the soil. I was happy to see your father. Your father taught you well. One of the hallmarks of leadership is loyalty. You cannot be a good leader unless you're a good follower. Look, did you hear what I said? You can't be a good leader unless you're a good follower. Distinguished Minister of the FCT followed all past leaders of Rivers State diligently and worked for them. I know you followed Governor Odili very well and worked for him. I know that there was a time that my former my former good friend was in Ghana, and you were running around here with lawyers all over. In fact, by the time you finished the magic, you were the first on common to have pronouncement of the Supreme Court, making somebody a governor without the person going for election. It's the truth. Somebody leaves his hotel room in Ghana and arrives in Rivers State to be sworn in as a governor. Of course, on getting there, he turned around and said, how can this man be this powerful? He has to fight you. You didn't expect him to fight you. Because what you did was totally uncommon. There was no election, and I understand that we cannot put that as a precedent in law again in Nigeria. That it will never happen again. That will never happen again. But you were the one who caused that to happen. So we were not surprised when in Rivers said, you said agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement. Yereba, Yereba. And anybody who listened to you knew that you were talking about the D-Day. That was election day. So since you don't want to adhere to agreement, on election day, come and win in Rivers. I want to thank you for the support for Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You will never take it for granted.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.